Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is super exciting day because I finally have the brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max right here in silver with 256 GB storage. This is Apple's latest flagship that I have been waiting to get my hands on since its launch. So let's dive straight into the unboxing. As always, Apple keeps the packaging clean and minimal. On the front, we have got a picture of the iPhone itself and the silver finish really shines through here. Let's go ahead and pull the tab. Wow, the first impression, the silver color is so premium. The polished aluminum edges really pop and it feels solid and not too heavy in the hand. On the back, we have got the frosted glass with the iconic triple lens camera setup. This year, Apple has upgraded the sensors, so I can't wait to test the camera in the real life. On the front, we get Apple's 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with ProMotion up to 120Hz. Super smooth for scrolling and gaming. It's protected by Ceramic Shield 2, which Apple says is 2 times more scratch resistant than before. The back looks stunning with the frosted glass and the ultimate pro camera system. This year it rocks all new 48 megapixel rear cameras up to 8x optical quality zoom, the widest zoom range ever in an iPhone. Up front, we have an 18 megapixel center stage camera. It's perfect for smaller group selfies, flexible framing, and even dual capture video so you can record with both front and rear camera at the same time. Inside, it is powered by Apple's A19 Pro chip with 6-core GPU and vapor cooling. Apple claiming the lightning fast speed performance not just for apps and for multitasking, but also for the high-end gaming. And of course, the battery life got a boost. This is the best ever iPhone with up to 37 hours of video playback. And it runs on iOS 26 with Apple Intelligence, giving us a fresh new look and smarter AI features built right in. Now let's check what else is in the box. Of course, the usual SIM ejector tool, a USB to USB-C cable, and no Apple sticker. That's pretty much it, and no charging brick as expected. So that's the iPhone 17 Pro Max in silver. I'll definitely be doing a camera test, performance benchmarks, and maybe even a battery life review. So make sure to subscribe if you want to see those. Before we end this video, I also picked up the Apple's official clear case. Let's open it and see how it looks on the iPhone. There we go, the simple clean, and it really shows off the silver finish while giving it some protection, and definitely must have if you don't want to hide the color of your iPhone. And that wraps up for the today's unboxing of iPhone 17 Pro Max in silver along with the Apple clear case. Let me know in the comments if you like this video. Please give it a like and share this video. Also, make sure to subscribe. Bye guys.